Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Today we're making kabobs, which are an easy way to add fruits and veggies to your meal.
Let us show you how to pack this summer classic with colorful produce.
Kona pineapple chicken kabobs. Whisk together pineapple juice, oil, lime juice, lime zest, sugar, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Add marinade to cubed chicken and then refrigerate. Thread skewers with pineapple, chicken, and bell pepper. Grill kabobs until cooked through. Serve and enjoy.
Mushroom kabobs. Arrange mushrooms, bell pepper, onion, and tomatoes on skewers. Place on a baking sheet. Mix together oil, garlic, lemon juice, oregano, and salt for marinade. Pour marinade over skewers. Grill kabobs until heated through. Serve and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.